Hello, my name is Toby Pryor. I'm the Internal Media Director at J29 Creative. So if you've been following J29 for the past few weeks, you might recognize some of these videos. So I've been working for J29 for the past few weeks, and I've learned a lot since working here. I've really learned how important it is to be on time to your meetings. I've been following Kevin around, and several times the client or whoever we're meeting with was late.
We're gonna meet the CEO. See what he has to say.
When were we supposed to meet him?
Noon. So we just wasted a good 30 minutes. So, well, at least we get some good lunch.
I just really realized how important being on time actually is. The second really important thing that I learned was time management. I have external clients that I have to work with, and if I don't always schedule the time for each shoot, and it can really all just pile up on me and become really stressful. So if I push everything off to the last minute, it becomes a real hassle, and it really takes the fun out of making videos, which leads me to my third really important thing that I learned, which is to have fun. If you're not looking forward to work in the morning, then there's something that you need to change. If you're pushing all these projects back, like I was in the beginning when I started working here, it started making work a hassle, made it a chore instead of something that I could look forward to. So really have fun with your work, have fun with your coworkers, because that's when the best content or whatever you're doing is made. So yeah, those are just a few things that I learned while working at J29. If you like what I've been posting, don't forget to follow and subscribe to all of our social platforms. I'll be posting 2 times a week. So yeah, I'll see you then. Hello, my name's Toby Pryor. Hi, my name's Toby Pryor. Phew, I just spit. Hi, my name's Toby Pryor. I'm the... What the heck, man? This is hard. Hi, my name's Toby Pryor. How did I start it last time? Hi, my name's Toby...